Hello? New event, party train. Yeah. Where's the party train? Over there. Dance potion. I know this potion. It's the Monster Mash potion. That hurt my ears. I know a cool trick to do with the other trains. Wait. You can dance clip through the train head. Oh, I ragdolled. See? Dancing. Come on, respawn. Is this music copyrighted? Sorry. Oh. Oh my god. This video will be shorter. Yeah, it's just gonna... Ow, I died! Hold on, let me do something. What is party voice? I am on the train. I might play another game related to rides. Pull in. Let's drive. It's a desert. Not a desert. A desert. Shop train. The shop. Hello? What? Leaderboard. I have a speed coil. Did I lose time? Oh yeah. I thought I would go back in time. Hello. And goodbye. Can you get two of the same thing? That would be cool. yet. Can't. The high record. Pull in boat. What? No, I'm the driver. Yeah, this is so safe. This is definitely so safe. You should do this as like an 8-year-old. Can I turn backwards? Aquarium train. I'm coming. Ah, I died. The bad thing about gears in this game is that when you die, you don't keep them in your inventory. Jump, jump, jump. Let me just stand on Nemo. Why are there 2 Nemos? I don't think these fishes are moving properly. Why did the fish suddenly go fast? And why is the fish swimming backwards? Fish can't do that. I feel like these fishes are just robots. Oh, I got pushed by Yellow Nemo.
During their game against Capital One, where they won 5 sets. She got 17 points for that game. That was a big game for Kate, also for AC Minor at 18 there. Wow. Seen that before. Mapa with.
I'm drowning. Am I pushing the squid? Bully, 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 bully. I'm a bully the squid.
Number 1 server in the league, Gary Vito, 9 aces. So far, wow.
Bully Nemo! I will bully Nemo.
Or Zeus. One to play na yun, Pagaling sa one-handed defense, if I'm not mistaken. Ang ganda lang ng taas sa...
Get out. Are these fish just floating around?
Oh, unfortunately for Zeus, service errors in a row for them.
Get
Rally that they win the hard way. Nasasayang kasi ng service errors.
I want to go with the guy who's doing her.
Take care of this 3-point advantage. First ball. Oh, it's taken care of. Chini.
Oh.
recording for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna play another game in 3, 2, 1. Hi, I'm back. I am here playing Car Trip this time. And what's happening? Hot dogs? Why are there hot dogs in the trunk? I'm gonna get my legs stuck after they close. Ragdoll. By the way, I have played the Never Ending Train Ride and Car Trip before, but not on my channel. I am saying no. Oh! We did just walk on the road, guys. I'm gonna die in 0.1 seconds. Why are we going so slow? My favorite thing to do. Oh! My favorite thing to do in this game is get a bunch of speed boosts from the shop and just run faster than the car. I'll sit in there. I'll sit in there. I'll sit in there. Let me sit in there. Let me sit. Yay. Can we go faster? Did the driver change the speed? Oh wait, is there even a driver? Wait, I just saw someone's tongue. Oh! We're going fast! We're going so fast. Let me die. A camping place. I died on the path. Hey, don't let him get shot, please. I'll protect him. That was really loud. Oh, he got shot. Goodbye. I tried to save you, but you decided to get out of the way and kill yourself. Wait, That sounded bad. Oh! We're going so fast. Slow down, slow down. Please, can we slow down? Hey, do you is want die? Yes, I is want die. Maybe one of the best events that can happen will happen in this one server. Wow! Why am I spinning? It's a traffic jam. I'm gonna die on one of these cars. Why can't we see through the windows? We can always see through the windows of our car. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. And then stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Yay. Ow. We're going so fast. I don't know why I made it so it's going so fast. You can actually change the speed of the car as the driver. I will now cook the babies until the meat is tender and juicy. Okay, I guess you can do that. Okay. I ran away. Got the hiccups. Ooh. Ah! In this event, nobody really get away from him. Nobody really notices they're holding the hot potato. I'm gonna end the video.